कुछ ही दिन पहले हमारे 10,000 सब्सक्राइबर्स कंप्लीट हुए एंड इसी खुशी में मैंने शेफाली से कहा कि चल भाई तेरी पार्टी कराता हूँ. So for the next 24 hours, I am going to say yes to everything that Shefali asks for. Are you ready?
Yes, I've made a list.
She made a list. What are we starting with?
We are going to the salon to get our nails done. We, as in you and I, are going to go to the salon to get our nails done.
But I don't want nail polish.
Arey, not nail polish, yaar. We'll get like a manicure, a clean up for you.
We have no choice, guys. We have to say yes to everything that she asks for. Chalo, let's go to the salon. And how much do these nails cost, by the way?
1,000 rupees for me. For you, like somewhere between 600-700 rupees.
Do they have gents discount?
Influencer discount they might have.
Oh, but they would want like a story or something, no?
Yeah, they would want a female influencer.
Imagine I put a story on my Instagram saying, hey guys, I got my nails done here. Please come get big man discount.
All the girls will unfollow you.
We have reached the salon. It's my first time in a ladies salon, guys.
Are you feeling weird?
I'm feeling so out of place right now. This chair is mad comfortable.
Nap.
Nap?
I've taken a nap while getting my nails done.
Boss, if I'm getting my nails done for the first time, I'm going to see each and every detail of how it's done.
Fun fact, I've never gotten a manicure done myself.
But you're getting it done for me.
Yes.
That's crazy.
Because my nails are always clean, no?
You're never going to see me cleaner than this. If you saw a guy with nice nails, would it impress you?
No.
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 So dirty nails are better?
No, but somewhere in the middle.
Show us your nails. Guys, this is the color that I picked. Nice, no? Happy or not?
I'm on the fence about it.
And look at my nails. It's looking pink, bro. I've gotten no color done, but it's looking pink. See? Put it against yours.
This is what happens when you have a shower for the first time in your life.
Somebody is going to clip this and be like, okay, Mohit goes to female salons. Bro, you won't believe it. My manicure costs more than her nail polish. That's crazy. I thought mera sasta rahega. But anyways, first of all, you tell me, why are you so dressed up today?
Because it's my day.
So what do you have planned for me next? Me, I'm saying. For yourself, what do you have planned next?
Bro, you know what? I feel like eating pancakes.
Pancakes?
Yeah.
But it's almost lunchtime.
Who cares?
So we are going to Araku Coffee to get some pancakes. I've heard that they have really good pancakes and madam wants to eat that before lunch. I thought directly we'll go for lunch, but we have no choice now. How often do you even eat pancakes?
Bro, like once a month.
And today is that one day, huh?
Yes.
Chalo, we're in this auto because, you know, it's raining outside. Any other day we would have walked, but madam is like, I'm wearing a nice dress. I don't want to get wet. It's fine. Today is her day. We have to say yes to everything. You guys must be wondering, right? Why am I doing this? 10,000 subscribers, guys. And there is no denying that half are her fans. So today, for her fans, we are doing this video. You know, every time we've come to Araku, we are like overdressed. I'm not overdressed today, but she definitely is. Here's our iced Americano at Araku. I know you didn't ask for this, but I ordered this for myself because I'm not eating pancakes today. I ate breakfast at home. I thought you also ate breakfast.
I ate, but...
Second breakfast. Crazy, no? Boss, your pancakes are here. They look amazing.
I'm too excited.
Chalo, let's go.
So basically, there's chocolate, there's raspberry, there's banana, and there's hazelnut.
We're doing this video for her, but even I am enjoying. Full boss, happy you got your pancakes.
Full happy.
Full happy, huh? So what's next? What do you want from me now?
Now I want a 5-star lunch.
Huh?
Yeah.
5-star lunch, huh?
Yeah.
Boss, there are no 5-star hotels in Indiranagar. Plus, if you want to go for a 5-star lunch, you have to make a reservation.
Who says I have not made one?
You made a reservation, huh?
Yeah.
Boss, she's come full. That's why you're so dressed up. That's what I was thinking. Why is she wearing a dress just casually like this in Indiranagar? Where, boss? Where's the reservation?
Vivanta by Taj, this restaurant called Karavali.
But brother, to go 5-star, you have to wear shoes. I am wearing Birkenstock. They won't allow me like this.
But I'm there, no? So they'll allow you.
What, you're some big don or what, huh?
Yes, I look so good that they'll be like, that's fine. We'll let him with her.
Seriously, they won't allow like this.
Bro, they'll allow, bro.
I can't believe it. She made a reservation and didn't even tell me about it. At least you could have told me I would have dressed properly.
No.
How come you chose Karavali of all the 5-star restaurants?
Feeling like eating something coastal-ish.
Something coastal, but you never feel like eating coastal in Bangalore, no?
Missing Goa, bro.
Bobbies, we've arrived at our lunch destination. This is Karavali at Vivanta 5-star Hotel. Listen, boss, we are coming here, meaning we are going to stay for a solid 2-3 hours. Huh? Here we are at Shefali's choice of a 5-star restaurant. This is Karavali in Vivanta. And look at this. 5-star mein banana leaf. LA Ota in 5-star hotel. Never thought of that. And guess what they serve? Rasam. Cheers. 5-star rasam bobbies. Ah. Bro, that's so comforting.
So refreshing.
In this cold weather, it's looking so dull right now, but believe it or not, it's still noon time. You have your rasam, banana leaf, some papad and chutneys. Did you try the chutney?
No, let's try the chutney. Bro, these fryams now,
Huh.
they're fried in oil, but
But no oil on your hand.
so no calories.
Oh, just because there's no oil in your hand, no calories, huh? Crazy guys, girl math. Bobbies, we've ordered neer dosai with ghee roast chicken as our first course. Excited?
Yes, it's our first time eating ghee roast together.
Yeah. Do you like ghee roast?
Love it.
Do you like neer dosai?
Love it.
The portion sizes are massive, bro.
Too big, bro.
Yeah, so much chicken they've given us. What else you want me to say yes to?
Call your best friend, Sagar, and tell him you hate him.
You want me to call Saigal and tell him I hate him? Huh?
Yeah, at least tell him you don't like him.
I don't mind. Saigal won't take offense to all this. But do you think he'll pick my call? He's a busy Bobby.
Hello.
Hello, Saigal.
I'm doing some. What's up?
You have a minute, just a minute.
Yeah.
Dog, I hate you, bro.
Why? What's up?
I don't like you, bro.
Okay, bro. Okay.
Just I have to just make that clear that I don't like you, and I need to publicly put it out there that you and I are not best friends.
Okay, fine.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay,
Okay, bro. Nothing happened, bro. I just need to let you know that I don't like you.
Okay.
Okay, bro. Bye.
I'll see you. Bye.
It was that easy. This is the easiest task she's given me, bro. Full happy, boss. You got your 5-star lunch.
Full happy.
What do you want next? What are we doing next? What do I have to say yes to now?
Take me shopping.
Okay, let's take her shopping. Do you have something in mind?
Yes, a birthday dress.
Birthday dress, sir.
Yeah.
Your birthday is in December.
So what? It's November next week.
Fine. Where do I take you though? You have decided a place? No, because I can't decide where to take you and all.
Yeah, we'll go to Garuda Mall and we'll find some place inside.
Okay. Bobbies, we have reached Garuda Mall. I think you would have come here once, no?
Yeah, we've come here once. Like initially
What is initially?
initially something, and then we came here to buy you a pair of Levi's denims.
2022 we came.
Yeah.
2022 December we came.
Oh, you remember?
Yeah. Of course, I have better memory than you. What is initially? Where do you get your dress? Marks and Spencer?
No.
West side?
Mango.
Mango?
Yeah.
There's mango here. Please buy something which is very nice because you are wearing this for your birthday and you're wearing this with me. Guys, whoever is watching this, she better wear this on her birthday vlog. If you don't wear it, then I'm not taking you out on your birthday. Huh? You told you want a birthday dress, that's why I agreed to this. Are you buying this?
It's expensive though.
Expensive, huh?
Yeah.
How much?
Guess.
This dress, what is the material like? Okay, but I'm guessing 3K.
4.
How's it looking?
You wanna see?
Show me. Bro, it's nice, no?
You like it?
But it's like very thin. It's like very Goa. You know, I was thinking 4K for this dress is a lot. But then I realized that every single one of my shirts from Rare Rabbit cost like 3.5, 4K.
Yeah, and you also paid 5K for a dress once.
For a dress. Yeah. Okay, Mohit wore a dress. Shirt.
Which you haven't worn with me even once, bro. So I don't know who you're spending so much money for.
The day you wear this, I'll wear that shirt. Okay, boss. Small scene and all done. Now what's next? What do you want next?
I think.
What do you think? You think too much, bro. Stop thinking. Just tell me what's the first thing on your mind.
I'm a girl, let me think and don't say no to anything I say today. I want to think.
Okay, think.
I think we should try matcha because I've never tried matcha. And I want to try it with only you.
Fine. Matcha is something even I wanted to try because the internet is crazy about it.
Oh shit, now I don't want to do it then. I'm kidding.
So where do we go now for matcha? Check where is third wave. We'll go to third wave. Or Starbucks has matcha.
I think they do.
Or check here only, no, near this Garuda Mall if there's any place with matcha.
Third wave coffee.
Don't search third wave. Search matcha near me.
Okay, I found a place. It's not third wave or Starbucks.
Where is it?
It's somewhere here only. It's like 400 meters from here. It's called 11 grams cafe or something.
11 grams, sir.
Yeah.
I've never heard of it.
I know we haven't heard of it or been there, but it looks nice.
They have matcha on the menu.
Yeah, they do.
Chalo. Bobbies, we found this 11 grams cafe and it looks like it's literally somebody's house. Huh? Walk. Look at it, it's at the end of this pathway.
Yeah.
It looks damn sus, bro. Such a nice, cute place, no?
Matcha meaningful green vibes.
Yeah, this place literally gives like matcha feels. Like, come here to have matcha.
I chose the best place.
But do you think we like matcha?
I think we'll rate it a 6.5 on 10.
People either love it or hate it, you know?
So then we will hate it.
Do you want to try a matcha cookie?
No.
Dark chocolate cookie?
Maybe.
Damn cute you look in this. Full green vibes. All pastel colors.
You want to take a picture of me? You have to say yes.
Okay, fine. Give me your phone. I'll take a picture.
You should use your phone because my phone is dying.
My phone is also dying. I've been vlogging all day long. Click, click, click. Guys, look at this picture I took of hers. Even I am there in the background. Damn cute picture, no?
Damn cute, bro.
Post it. Post it right now.
No, I don't have to say yes to you.
Isn't that the cutest little mug?
That is very cute.
Do you want a picture with the mug?
Yeah, I do. Of course I do. Thanks for asking.
I will do anything and everything just today. Don't think that I'll be so nice every day.
Bro, the real question is, will we like this?
Can I try?
Yeah, you can try first.
I don't hate it, yeah. I'm getting a strong oat milk flavor though.
Yeah, because it is oat milk, na? And apparently, it's what I've heard from my friends and everybody that matcha tastes much better with oat milk. Bro, I don't hate it.
I don't hate it either.
6.5 on 10.
6.5.
Yeah, you tell?
I'm not able to rate it, bro. Bobbies, we've gotten one choco chip cookie as well. And it came with ice cream.
Bro, on second thoughts, I love this.
You love this?
Bro, I get the craze girls have.
Bro, that 11 grams cafe was such a nice place. The matcha and the decor was matching. You liked it, no?
Yeah, it was so cute, bro.
Yeah, I'm happy. She asked for matcha and I probably found the best place to try matcha. Guys, we had no idea that there was a place called 11 grams cafe. We were just walking on Garuda Mall Road and we stumbled upon it.
Yeah, and then we checked Google.
Yeah, we checked Google if they had matcha on the menu and they're like one of the best matcha in Bangalore.
Yeah.
So I'm glad we got to experience this. Honestly, if not for this video, I probably would have never tried matcha. So I can say thank you. Huh?
Welcome.
Alright, so what's next? What should I say yes to next?
What's a challenge without you getting me flowers?
You want flowers?
Yes.
But brother, which flowers do you want?
You should know, no?
Oh, guys, I know which flowers she likes. She likes white carnations. The funny part about these flowers are that white carnations are funeral flowers in Japan. Why do you like funeral flowers?
I didn't know they're funeral flowers until you told me like a while ago.
Yeah, the first time I went to buy these flowers, the florist was like, why do you need it? These are funeral flowers. But how do I get this, boss? You have to pre-order white carnations.
That's a you problem.
That's a me problem. Chalo, let's try looking for it. For your flowers, we are gonna have to go to UB City. That's where I found them the last time. Okay, so I'll get you these flowers, but you better keep these flowers safely, huh? Every day I want a picture of them.
For the next 10 days, right?
Yeah, till whatever lifespan they have. And then I want you to preserve it and keep it for the rest of your life.
I don't have to say yes to everything you say.
Oh my god. Bobby's, the flower shop is here. Floradelic. This place is so pretty, no?
So pretty, bro. It's like paradise.
Chef says this is like paradise. Can you imagine 3 years back I came here looking for your white carnations because I couldn't find them anywhere. I think we should mix these two. This is a nice shade. Here you go, boss.
Thank you.
Bouquet of flowers. She wanted one stem, but I'm like, no. If we are getting a full bouquet. Happy?
Yes. I was being nice and I'm like, one stem is enough. But then this looks too good.
Right? You'll keep this safely, no?
Yeah, I'll keep it.
Bro, it's so pretty. I want one for myself. Why don't you get me one?
You can take one from here.
Give me one from this. I'll take one from this. Show them your flowers.
Yee.
Looks so pretty. You should have asked for flowers first thing in the video, you know? We could walk with these flowers.
Yeah, but I didn't think of it only.
It's okay. At least we got you the flowers. Now keep them safely. Now it's getting late. I want to go home. I have some things to do. But before I go, I will do one last thing.
You can't go home for starters.
Why? It's getting late.
Say yes.
Yes. I won't go home. Yes.
Okay.
What's the last thing?
Last thing. I wish it wasn't the last thing, but
Wait, let me guess. You want dessert.
no, I've eaten enough sweet.
Then what is it?
I think you should unfollow a few girls that I don't like.
What do you mean? Unfollow meaning?
Unfollow them on Instagram. Like remove them from your Instagram.
I follow them.
Yeah.
Who are these girls? Show. What is this, boss? I didn't expect this and all. Okay, this one. Then. Okay. Okay, fine. 4 out of these 5 girls too I also don't like. But why do you want me to unfollow this one?
Because I don't like her.
Fine, I don't mind. I'll unfollow. This is the last task for the day.
Yeah.
Okay, hold the mic. I'll unfollow them right now.
First
Fine.
name is there only.
Okay. Fine, done. Okay, done. I hope you liked this video. I hope you enjoyed. This was our 10,000 subscribers celebration vlog. Guys, let us know in the comments if Shefali is your favorite or if I am your favorite.
Or it's both of us.
Or if it's both of us together.
Yeah.
That's it for this vlog.
See you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.